Hi again, everybody. It's Greg Brown here, and today I wanted to talk about fiduciary duties, but not in the normal context where I've actually spoken about it before, but here specifically with respect to real estate, and that is the real estate agent or broker and their client. So the first point is the agents stand in a fiduciary relationship with their principal or the client. Thus, the real estate agent owes the principal the same obligation of undivided service and loyalty, say, that would be owed by trustees to their beneficiaries. It's a high standard. Second point is, as fiduciary duties, real estate agents must act in the highest good faith toward their client or principal, and they may not obtain any advantage over them in any transaction arising out of the agency relationship. And this actually can come up in a couple of instances. The case I was just working on that prompted this whole video is a situation where they have the real estate transaction itself, where the broker is representing the client in the sale of real estate, but also in a deal between the broker and the client as it relates to payment of commissions, leasing arrangements, things like that. In both those instances, the same fiduciary duties relate to that particular instance. The third point I want to make is that the real estate broker or agent must make full and complete disclosure of all material facts that might influence the principal or the client's decision to enter into the transaction. And again, that could apply to the actual real estate transaction, say where the client is selling a piece of real estate, or in a transaction between the broker and the client as it relates to commissions and other arrangements. And then finally, the fourth point is that under agency law, a real estate's breach of fiduciary duty may end up causing the forfeiture of the commission, even where the services were properly formed, at least where the breach involves intentional disloyalty, bad faith, or fraud. So that's my quick update on fiduciary duties in real estate. If you want to find out a little bit more about it, you can actually look at how the jury in a lawsuit would be instructed. You can go to California Approved Civil Instructions, or CACI, C-A-C-I, and go to numbers 4102 and 4107. You can just Google it, come right up, and that's what the jury would be read as far as the law on this particular issue. So that's all for today. Thank you.